Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to block a blanket, and that means how to straighten it all out. When your blanket has a ruffled edge or is out of shape, blocking it will bring it all back into shape and make it nice and flat without ruining your blanket. And one thing, never iron your yarn or woolen projects. So I have done my flower blossom blanket. Now as you can see, it's kind of wavy here. Now what's happening is this pattern is pulling the sides in. It's pulling the sides in. I'm going to zoom down a little bit. Excuse the mess I've got around here. Now, the way this pattern is, you can see, look how much stretch is in this, but it's pulling it in and it's making it all bumpy. Now, it will flatten, as you can see, when you stretch it out, it will flatten out. So what we have to do is block this pattern. We have to block this blanket. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it damp. I'm going to spray it with some warm water, not hot water, with some warm water. You can, if you want, put some fabric softener into the water, just a few drops of fabric softener. You don't have to do that. But what we're going to have to do, I'm going to get some bath towels, big bath sheets, and you need an area either on the floor, on the bed, or on a desk. A table will work as well. You're going to put a dry towel down. Then you're going to get your damp blanket and we're going to smooth it out and pin it. Now, there is one thing I'm going to tell you with the pins. If you use tacking pins for sewing, make sure you write down the number that you use so that you can take them back out. So if you put 15 in around your blanket, you're going to have to make sure you take 15 out. You don't want to leave a jaggy pin in your blanket. So I've made my blanket damp. I just put some water in my hands and I've rubbed it over. You can spray it if you want. Now I'm going to pull it down like this a little bit. And I've got some pins. Now I can't find my little sewing pins, but I've got these pins. I've got some safety pins. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin it. So in this corner first, I'm going to pin through the towel and through the blanket. Make sure you go through the towel. Now I'm not going to close it, I'm just going to put it there. Push this back up. Now I'm a little bit fiddly because I'm trying to do this so you can still see it. So I'm going to turn it. So on this side I'm going to pull it on this side so it's nice and straight where I want it, down the edge here. So what you'll do is you'll just pin, pull and pin it. Just pull it. I'll move it up so you can see what I'm doing. But you'll be able to do this easier. I'll do this off camera anyway. Just pull it. Pull it down and pin it. And pull it down and pin it. So it's nice and straight. Make sure your towel is flat underneath. So I'll try and move the camera up a little bit. So I'm going to pull my blanket out here, pull the sides out so it's nice and straight. I'm going to get another pin, pull it out and pin through into the bath towel. Make sure it pins it in. Close it if you like. So I've got my blanket pinned out. Sometimes just smoothing it out as well. I'll hold it on to the towel too. Now what I've got a few other, I'm going to lay these over the top just to give it a little bit of weight. Don't ever iron your work. Don't ever iron your crochet. Now that's going to keep it all nice and flat as well. I'm going to leave it for a day and let it dry, let the blanket dry for a few hours at least, and then I'll take it off the pins. Okay, so I've left this overnight and I'm going to take my bath sheets back off. And look at that. It's dried and it's still straight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the pins out. And that is how you block your blanket so that it stretches it. Now you can find the video for this blanket on my channel already. And this is how this opened up. This is how it looked now that it's been blocked. Look how different it is, that once you make it damp and then pin it out, it's so pretty. And you can find this pattern for this blanket on my channel. It's on my channel already. So please subscribe to the channel. Just click on that button down there to subscribe. It's completely free to subscribe to the channel. And if you click on that bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.